how to buy DOHRNII token. Now this token came under the symbol of DHN. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buying this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. So one of these updates, as you can see, this pinned post, they reposted from the MEXC listing account. If you check this post, as you can see, the DOHRNII token, a next generation cryptocurrency education platform designed to empower investors through an interactive and gamified learning experiences, came into MEXC Kickstarter. So vote with MEXC to share massive airdrop. So this pair will be available for trading on 24 on this month, February, on 10 UTC. So until that date, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You'll be able to find the referral link. Go on and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund it with some USDT. So until that date, go to your account, copy this token symbol and paste it on the search, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it and you can buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy DOHRNII token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.